See? So let's make the hole like this.
Wow,
Holes, yeah.
that's so detailed.
Yes, sir. I work a lot of time, a lot of patience, and it's a pattern because we put the pattern.
We draw it first.
Okay, draw with the pencil, and then we follow punch. And it's already make. It's about 3 days making. 3 days.
3 days. Wow, that's so amazing. I really like the details.
Yes. And after it's already finished. This already finished. Take 2 days.
2 days.
And after punch finish, we paint. One color paint. Paint like this, yeah. So with the small brush, one color stove. Wait until dry.
Okay, first you start with one color, wait until dry, and then next color.
Next color, yeah. Because if we make all together, they will mix, yeah. And then make this already finished. This one.
Oh, wow!
So I have to paint both sides after this and other side.
Another way around.
A lot of work. And then the stick made of cord, buffalo cord. This one cord. We steam it with the fire, and we make it sharp with a sharp knife, yeah? And then we split here. Split for the skin in the middle, like this.
So you can.
Yeah. And then we join with the string.
Tie it together.
When we bend it, we hit it with the fire.
Wow.
So, and then the next I would take to show you like this. In Holland, people call this the levensboom. Levensboom.
Yeah.
Tree of life. Yeah. Two side we call this paradise and hell.
Wow.
Yeah. One day when it home, the hell side against the wall mean to keep away the bad spirit.
Okay, to chase it away.
Yeah. If ik drinken Henneke bier too much, my vrouw show me like this.
Okay.
It's happened in the garden.
If you drink too much, then not good.
Yeah, yeah. And then it's always stay in the kamar. And people believe it bring luck for our life and keep cool our room with positive energy.
Okay.
And also keep harmony.
So it's basically a shield that's like keeping the peacefulness inside and the evil outside.
Yeah, always like this. Yeah. That's why many ambassadors in Jakarta, they collect this. It stay in the living room. Yeah, even in the palace, also President Palace, they collect this. Yeah. Because it is symbol of universe. So this thing, when we start show and we end, displayed always.
Okay.
The tree of life. With the Japanese horoscope, the tiger symbol for ambition, buffalo for strength and hard work, dragon for luck, monkey for wisdom, the bird for peace and harmony, and the branches of the tree our life grows up. Gate of heaven with twin guardian and twin golden eagle head mean our life under protected by the good spirit. Takes 1 week to make this. Just want to try with the light. Yeah? Wait a second. I just try with the light. You can see the beautiful shadow. I turn off light. Ya. Saya mati lampu itu, Pak, ya. Nanti lihat di sini bagus shadow. See.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's why we make the holes for light comes through.
Wow.
And you see a lot of detail.
See, yeah.
And you can still see the animal around there. So we call it shadow puppet. And I just try make bigger.
Even more bigger.
Yeah. Our room full of shadow. And I make it closer.
Wow.
We are like in the forest.
Yeah.
And the next one, even the puppet as well, you can see beautiful shadow on the wall. That's character of this one.
Yeah.
So his Rama, he represents as the prince, and his wife, Princess Sinta. Rama and Sinta, they are from Hindu mythology.
They're quite famous because
Right, in the story of Ramayana.
yes.
Because there are two main stories, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Mahabharata for war story, Ramayana for love story. And I make the medium size, takes about 2 days each one.
2 days each one. Wow.
This Rama and Sinta. Most people collect this symbol love and harmony. And then the baby size, I make this one 1 day. Yeah, for 3 puppet. Yeah, 1 day, the small one.
It's pretty quick for just 1 day.
Yes.
It's like detail. It's really
Just
amazing.
stay next to the wall, give
Mhm.
a space, and any light from the room comes through.
No matter where the light is
Yeah.
coming from, it always
Yes, always like this.
puts a nice.
Okay. And you put the next to the wall.
Wow.
Nice. So that we do all together with brother, me and 2 brother making that, and then my own making this puppet. It cannot make this puppet because totally different technique, yeah, different
Different style.
styles. What kind of material? This wood. Local people call this wood lame wood or pule. In Europe, balsa wood.
A balsa.
You have
balsa
heard,
wood. Yeah.
Very light. I heard in Europe people use it for making a motor aeroplane.
Yes.
Is it?
True.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people always tell me.
Yeah.
And this is a head and it's for body.
Okay. It's like separate pieces.
The first he cut off, make the wood sharp. Why? Because the puppet face, they are not human face, they are God face.
Mm-hmm.
And after the face, we start to make the head. Head, and he doesn't need to draw it. He is expert making the puppet.
He doesn't need any drawing.
Yeah.
It's in his head,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
just make. People just order Mr. A, Mr. B. It's just very good. And then he start carve like this.
oh, wow.
Only this kind of wood we can make as detail as this. If other wood cannot do that. When we
No.
do detail like this, it breaks.
It's like splinter. Yeah.
Yes. And this character Arjuna and Srikandi from the Mahabharata story.
No,
And then-
one of the name.
Yeah, and then the
Srikandi?
next one.
Are you? Yeah.
And it's Rama and Sinta,
Wow.
Prince and Princess.
Beautiful.
Yes. You go also Indo? Indo? Yeah. I feel it. Because beautiful.
Ooh.
Handsome, beautiful.
See?
Yeah, I can see the spirit, yeah, energy. Yeah, nice Indo. Many Indo more.
Yeah. I feel very, very like home here.
Yeah.
Like since the first day.
That's good, yeah, for you, yeah.
It's very good.
Yeah, spirit, energy, yeah, strong.
Yes.
Yeah. You're also very kind people. I believe your family also same like your character.
Mm.
People contact easy to you, smile, very good. Yeah.
Open.
Yeah. People like it. So my brother, I play at the embassy in Jakarta. Now many order come to us. If they like the wood puppet, order to my uncle. If they like the flat one, order to me. Okay? I'm happy with the order. But sometimes the problem is too many order.
It's like too much.
Yeah,
too much to handle.
Yeah. Sometimes they ask me 120, 200. I ask them what will you do with your puppet, and they told me we're going to make a conference in Bali, so we need some of puppet as a present for the conference people.
Mm-hmm.
They ask me the small size puppet, but I have to say to them, well, you have to order 1 year before that. I have to prepare everything. Sometimes, yeah, problem. Too many. And that old puppet, 100 years old.
Oh.
100 years old. You see the color there, very strong. And that's 70 years old.
Berarti bahannya kuat banget ya Pak?
Yeah, kualitas. Yeah, because we're talking about quality. Yeah, quality, I cannot tell like. Yeah, but if you find on the street in the market, they made by It's synthetic sometimes, machine made by machine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's still different
Yeah.
than
Not touch your heart.
exactly.
Yeah.
That's
But-
like, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes make quantity. Yeah. The material must be buffalo skin. Buffalo, yeah. Buffalo is the best one. Buffalo leer. Buffalo skin. Buffalo leer. This one. Buffalo skin.
Oh yeah.
You can touch very strong. And this buffalo skin. And ini this one goat skin.
Goat skin.
Goat skin thinner. Like this one. Yeah. Tapi goat skin we can make puppet only for frame.
Oh.
On the frame, people string with the string, very nice on the wall. Yeah?
Wow. Those are really beautiful.
And this is buffalo.
Very tough.
People use for making drum sometimes also. Yeah?
Oh,
Making drum. So, yeah. Very nice.
very nice.
And that's process making everything. The skin also we have to dry for a month to get like this to stretch and dry. Yeah? So we get a very high quality. And we still making together with brother at home. Still make and make and make. And then many order come to us from people from the embassy. They order sometimes. This is a lot of homeworks.
Mm-hmm.
Lot of homeworks. Yeah. That is, I have to make color. Homework. It's lot of detail.
Lots of detail. I really like the detail.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
So we also produce. After I make the puppet, the rest skin lights.
Mm-hmm.
At home, still many, like a mountain.
The mountain of.
Yes. My wife angry to me.
Ah.
Why you keep the rubbish? I said they are not rubbish because I still need them.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
That you need it.
Yeah, I still need for the student to practice, to
To
learn
make little ones.
how to punch and how to color it.
Practice.
Yeah, practice, and it's good. And also, it make the fan sometimes.
Oh.
This myself.
Oh, that's nice. We have like the same kind of fan at home. It's a very old one, golden color.
Oh, we have still.
Yeah, it is old. It is broken, but we still have it.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Yeah, really like the wayang.
Yes.
My mom gave it to me.
Oh, very happy to hear.
Yeah,
Because you special mix. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it produced the new puppet also. This is standard size, medium size. Yeah. This is Arjuna and Srikandi. You see, even small, very detailed.
yeah.
Yeah, very detailed. And then it make this puppet also. We little sell to my guests. They like also my puppet many different sometimes color, and we make together with uncle. And this also the bright color, darker color, not the same. So it make us together with my own, and then sometimes people sterilize.
It's like a family business.
Yeah.
Did your father or
Yeah, also
was in
family.
it?
Yeah, always.
Wow.
I learned from him. Like this character of Hanuman. It's-
Pretty impressive.
and it's a play size, standard size. To play size. Play size. It's a medium size. It's medium size. It's baby size. It's good.
Very good.
If you're interesting one day, if you want to collect puppet, you come here. We
Absolutely.
also sell puppet for people.
Mhm.
Old puppet, new puppet, everything we sell. At home, still.
How to maintain it so it'll
Oh,
look
easy.
good for a long time? Do you
Just-
have to clean it?
No, yeah, depends.
Maybe
people,
the dust.
yeah, just with the
Okay.
with the brush or something. Yeah, with the kemoceng.
Kucing aja ya.
Bisa.
Okay.
It's like that. My puppet, 100 years old. I don't worry about it. Just keep stay. I never touch them. At home, I still have 1,000 more puppet. Yeah, I wanted to show you my puppet. Jadi banyak Mbak di rumah. From my family, I can show you.
generasi ya Pak?
Iya, benar Pak. I can show you. Still keep a lot of At the museum, they display one by one, with the space, because the museum has big building, but my home not as big as museum, so I just see.
Whoa. That's love.
Ya, ini Pak. Jadi saya dari terus bayang-bayang. Terus ya, saya jalan terus di rumah. Oh, yes. Ya, terus sampai saya muter lagi ke ruang lainnya. Nah, terus saya ke tengah nih. I go to the middle room next. See, these are the middle rooms.
It looks like a gallery than a house.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Museum.
After
Yeah.
this, I going to our living room next. On the top lot of full of puppets. See, later I go to the living room. This, see,
Whoa.
see.
It's a warehouse of
So,
puppets.
so I around.
There's not just a few. There's like really
Yes.
thousands of
And
them.
it's still second floor, but not enough space. I put still waiting 8 boxes.
Mm-hmm.
One box contain 100 until 150.
I really like it when you can see them all then
Yeah.
coming in.
That's why my wife jealous to me, because I sleep always with the puppet. Yeah, I enjoy sleeping puppet around me.
Yeah, it's a passion.
Yeah, nice. I have very.
I can see that. It's really, really nice.
You know, you should take a picture also of his name card.
Yeah, you want me to take a picture with you by it, or
No, just probably if someone needs it.